Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss our fourth chapter, that is bones, joints and muscles. So today in this video we will discuss about bones, joints, muscles and their functions. First, let us come to know the meaning of these terms. As we all know that in our day-to-day life we perform different activities like we eat, we run, we play, we dance. So, how our body functions? What are the different body parts that are involved in all these different activities? We cannot see the bones and muscles because it is protected by the layer of our skin. So, what the bones are made up of? Bones are made up of tissues. Along with these tissues, bones also have proteins, minerals, calciums and vitamins. So now we will discuss it in details. Skeletal system, joints and muscular system. What is a skeletal system? All the bones of our body together are known as skeleton. What are joints? The bones meet each other and their meeting points are called joints. Now, what is muscular system? Muscles are elastic thread that join bones with one another. So, in our body, muscles help us to move our body. Muscles gives elasticity to our body. Now, first we will discuss about the skeletal system in details. As we all know that our body is made up of different types of bones. The network of bones is known as skeletal system. So, there are different parts included in a skeletal system like skull, rib cage, backbone and bones in arms and legs. Skull is the head part. Rib cage, it is the front part of our body which protects our lungs and heart. Backbone protects the spinal cord and bones in arms and legs are the bones present in our hand and legs. Now, let's see the functions of skeletal system. It forms a body framework. It gives shape and support to our body. It also helps us to stand upright and protect our delicate internal organs. It also helps in movement. Now, let's come to our next topic, that is joints. What are joints? Joints are a place where two bones meet. Joints help the skeleton to move, so in our body all the bones are connected to each other. There are two types of joints, movable and immovable joints. We will first discuss immovable joints. They are also known as fixed joints. Why they are known as fixed joints? Because they cannot move or they can move a little bit. These immovable joints can be seen in the skull region. Now, let's discuss movable joints. The joints that we are able to move freely in our body are called movable joints. They are found in the arms, legs, hip and shoulder. Now, we will talk about the types of movable joints. They are of mainly four types: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. First, we will discuss hinge joint. Hinge joint allows movement only in one direction. Elbow, knees, fingers, toes have hinge joints. Now, ball and socket joint. It allows movement in all the directions. There, one bone is like a ball and fits into the hollow socket of the other bone, which enable them to move freely. Hip and shoulders are the example of it. Now, pivot joints. They are found between our head and neck. It allows our head to turn left and right, up and down. Gliding joints. It allows the bones to slide on each other, glide fast one another in any direction along the plane of the joint. Joints between the vertebrae in the backbone, wrist and ankles are the example of it. Now we will discuss our last topic, that is muscular system. Muscular system also helps in the movement of our body. This muscular system is made up of different types of muscles. So, these muscles are attached to the bones and allows our body to work. There are 640 muscles in the human body. They are made up of fibrous elastic tissue. Muscles are attached to the bones by a tough band of tissue called tendons. It is responsible for the movement of our body. Muscular system consisting of three different types of muscles: voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. So now we will discuss each of them in details. Voluntary muscles, they are also known as skeletal muscles. These are those muscles that are under our conscious control. They work in pairs, like one muscle in the pair contracts while other relaxes to produce movement. They are found in arms, legs, neck, tongue, eye, etc. While reading, writing, walking, running, we have voluntary muscles. Now, involuntary muscles or smooth muscles. These muscles are not in our control. They work on their own. These muscles are not connected to the bones. They are found in internal organs such as mouth, stomach, intestine and lungs. So now the third one is cardiac muscles, or they are called heart muscles. These type of muscles are found in the heart. They are involuntary and keep on pumping the blood throughout the body. These muscles work throughout lifetime without getting tired. So here our chapter is end. Let's have a quick recap of whatever we have learned in this video. So first we discussed about bones and their types. Moving further, we learned about skeletal system, different types of joints, and last but not the least, muscular system. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Thank you.